ZZ plant broken stem can be repaired and used to grow new plants which can be productive throughout the growing seasons. Zamioculcas zamifolia is an evergreen perennial, with thick stems and dark green to bluish-gray leaves, that grows into a large bush over time. It has no specific growing season since it's always green. It can be propagated and shared with others if you want to wish them good luck on a new project, since they are considered good luck and fortune plants. How to deal with broken stem. As they can be repaired, all you need is the broken stem with at least 3 leaves on it, rooting hormone, potting soil mix. How does the stem get broken? Stem rot or sap rot appears as a brown or black sunken canker on stems or branches, and infection typically follow an injury. This disease causes decay, which enters through an opening where there was recent stem damage such as shearing, pruning, frost cracking, etc. The openings may also be caused by insects boring into woody stems like honeydew-producing mealybugs or other sap-sucking pests. If left untreated, this disease will quickly spread through the ZZ plant and can eventually affect the root system and cause the stem to snap. Deadheading the plant's blossoms help to ensure that the plant does not expend its energy producing seeds, as well as maintaining a tidy appearance. Some ZZ plants will drop their flower buds if they do not receive enough light. If its leaves are turning yellow, there might be something wrong with the irrigation water or nutrients in the soil. These are signs of deficiency that may be caused by improper watering practices, insufficient nutrients, or too much salt in the potting mix. Can this plant recover from a broken stem? Yes. ZZ plant broken stem can recover and grow once again. To help it recovers, you should make plant cuttings to root and grow new plants. There are 2 ways you can propagate using a ZZ plant leaf cutting twig. Rooting the leaf cutting twig directly in the soil. Rooting the leaf cutting twig in water first, before planting it in the soil. Will this plant grow from a cut stem? You can use a cut stem from this plant to propagate it. You can grow this plant from a cut stem only if the tip of the branch hasn't already sprouted out new tiny pups near its base. You can propagate this plant from a stem, ensuring you provide the right growing conditions that include temperature, humidity, and lighting. How do you propagate this plant from a cutting? 2 efficient ways. Rooting the leaf cutting directly in the soil. This method is done by sticking ZZ leaf cutting directly into the potting mix surface. With the right care, the cutting will soon root and a new plant will grow. Rooting the leaf cutting in water first before sticking them into the soil. To propagate the ZZ plant from a cutting, you can also place the leaf cuttings with their bases about 2 inches underwater, which is room temperature or slightly colder. Change the water frequently to ensure it does not stagnate. Check for roots in about 1 week, and if there aren't any roots yet, reposition the leaf cuttings every couple of days until they produce them. Conclusion. The Zamioculcas zamifolia or ZZ plant has smooth stems and strappy leaves. It is fairly easy to grow as a houseplant since it has low maintenance requirements. It does well when it is pruned back, which encourages the growth of new shoots, but occasionally the plant can break or die off at the base due to overwatering and soggy soil. This is an evergreen plant, perennial, with thick stems and dark green to bluish-gray leaves that grows into a large bush in time. It is also the perfect winter houseplant since it can tolerate low light and conditions. This plant can be propagated from ZZ leaf cuttings which are harvested from a mature plant, with an unblemished stem and fresh and healthy leaves on it. Enjoy your gardening journey, and share any secrets and tips you may have about the successful propagation of this plant. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.